you happen to notice my watermelon banners falling down in the last video, or my quit my job video, you're correct, because I'm pre-filming videos right now. And I still sound sick, so that was a lie. I'm sorry. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you my August favorites, which I feel like I just did July favorites, so this is really weird for me. As most of you guys know, if you haven't watched my I quit my job video, story time, I will link it down below, but I just recently quit my job because I'm over it. Hopefully by the time that I post this video, I will either have a new job, or I'm in the process of getting a new job, or I'm just crying in the corner because now I'm fucked and I fucked myself over. I have a lot of stuff this month that I've been obsessed with, and I do apologize ahead of time if I have said any of these in a previous favorites in like June or July or May or whatever, because I just liked a lot of the same stuff, but I've also been loving some of the stuff for a long time and forgot to mention it in the favorites video, so there's that too. So with that being said, let's just jump right in. I also have like a mound of gel pens here that I bought from Aldi's because they were like 10 bucks. So if you have an Aldi's near you and you like gel pens, $10 and you get like, I swear there's like 30 of them right here, like it's crazy. First favorite's a little bit wet because I did use this in the shower this morning. Duval face brush that I love so much, and of course you guys can see how much I used it because the label is starting to come off. I genuinely really love this face brush, probably a lot more if not better than my Clarisonic. Honestly, it's cheaper. I could easily take the heads off it and not have a problem and not have to worry about anything getting in there. But basically I do really like the brush head a lot better. I think mine is the exfoliating one, but it feels really nice on my skin, and I kind of have like sensitive acne skin, so this has been great. If you guys would like to get this, I am not sponsored but kind of sponsored. You could use Refinement 2019 to get 90%, I'm gonna correct it and put it right here, off of this entire Radiant skincare kit, which comes with a whole bunch of other attachments like for your feet, for your body. Extra one, I think there's another one for your face in there too. So highly recommend Duval. Thank you for coming through with the sponsorship. I highly appreciate it, and so do my followers, so thank you so much for that. They don't know that I'm mentioning this in this video. I've already done a dedicated video with them, but I do genuinely really love this spin brush, and I'm so grateful that they sent it to me because wow, like I've been a Clarisonic lover for a long time, but this is like taken the cake for me recently, the last few months. Favorites are a couple body things, body sprays. This one is the Bodycology Cucumber Melon Fragrance Mist. Obviously you can understand why I bought it. Love Cucumber Melon. It's been a scent that's been with me since I was a little kid. 90s baby high. Oh my god, it smells so good. This is literally the spray I would put on before I go to work every single day the last few months, and I'm obsessed with it. I did get it from Walmart, but I'm not sure if they still sell this scent because the last time I went they didn't have any more Cucumber Melon stuff. So if you guys want to get this spray or any Cucumber Melon Bodycology stuff, I recommend just looking around your local Walmarts, Targets, wherever they sell it, because I don't know, my Walmart just stopped carrying it. It's weird. Love it. It smells really good and lasts on you for a decent amount of time. It's cheap too, so if you don't want to go out and buy Bath & Body Works or any other one, that one's really good. And then of course my other one, this is my fourth bottle. Yes, fourth bottle of Fantasy by Britney Spears. I've had 3 bottles of Curious. I love Britney. If you're new to my channel, oh, it smells like 8th grade. It just brings me back to that year because the first time I got this perfume was my 8th grade year for my birthday, my 14th birthday. Oh, it smells so good. If you're new to my channel, then you may not know that I collect Britney Spears perfumes. I have a decent collection of them actually over here on a shelf, but I really want to collect at least one of each of perfumes she's put out because that's just like me in my head, and I love Britney and hi, I'm that crazy person. But this is my 4th bottle because if you guys didn't see my vacation haul with my mom, I got this in a set and it was only like 12 bucks, so I thought that was a decent deal, and it smells so good. Like if you want something that smells like very candy and very like. Now on to some makeup products. I have jumped on the bandwagon and I've fallen in love with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. This is only $6. I love the way it looks on me. It gives me like a nice little dewy look to my skin. It doesn't make me look really flat or anything like that, and it lasts, and it doesn't like cake up or look really oily since I have oily skin. But the only thing I don't like about it is it smells man's cologne. Like I don't know what it is. I mean, I bought mine from TJ Maxx. It literally smells like men's cologne. Like I don't understand why. It smells like I'm literally putting like my dad's aftershave on my face, so I don't know. But to be honest, it works really well. It lasts on me throughout the day. It doesn't bunch up or look cakey. As I already just said, why do I keep repeating things? Basically, it's a bomb foundation. I do recommend for $6. Like you can't go wrong if you're looking to not break the bank. Other makeup products, I have actually been using the Kylie powder this month a lot more than my Jeffree, probably because I had this one packed away for Maine, and then I just kept using this one. This is the Kylie powder in setting powder in yellow, which I will just say for the record, I don't understand why it doesn't say Kylie Cosmetics. It just says Kylie Jenner, and it says distributed by King Kylie LLC. Like, I don't understand. It's through Kylie Cosmetics, but why doesn't it say Kylie Cosmetics on this or even on her eyebrow? I've noticed that. Let me know below if you've noticed that too. It's kind of weird. I genuinely do really love this powder. I used it today to set my face, and I think it does a really good job of setting everything. It doesn't look crazy, doesn't get cakey on me. It's very light and easy to work with too, which is really, really great. So if you guys have been wanting to try one of her powders, they're really good. I fall in love with it. I don't know. And I really thought the yellow was going to look terrible on me, but it doesn't look that bad. So win-win for me. Breathe. I feel like I'm not breathing enough here. Okay. So a couple other makeup items. I feel like I mentioned these before. I don't know. I don't know anymore. Like, I don't know. I have actually really been loving the Kylie Pressed Illuminating Powder, whatever you want to call it. The wet set, it is just so gorgeous. You guys saw that I hauled this a while ago in my collective summer haul, and it's just like, you guys. But I'm still standing by what I said in my haul. I don't recommend you guys travel with this because the formula is very wet pigment kind of, and it will probably break easily. There's literally any tiny little thing and this will just probably fall apart, and it's actually already starting to crack because I did drop it on my carpet floor. My floor, that's carpet, face down, like this, and part of it cracked. But I would definitely recommend to just keep it at home on your makeup station, in your makeup collection. Don't travel with this. I feel like you might regret it. If it does even get bumped a little bit, product is gonna get all messed up. Bronzer, I've been loving my Marc Jacobs limited edition Tantastic Omega Bronze. I love Marc Jacobs makeup. Fun fact, I'm still on the hunt for that contour kit from TJ Maxx that's supposed to be marked down, but this is what it looks like. It's one of the best bronzers. Oh, for me, I have to smell it every time. It smells so good. Basically, this is the more expensive version of the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. So again, if you don't want to spend the money, Physicians Formula is just as good. I've just really been loving this bronzer. I feel like it just goes really well on my skin and it blends out really nicely. And as you guys can tell, I'm wearing kind of no makeup today because I haven't worn makeup in a week and I feel like I should, and my nose is already breaking up. Of course, because me. Love Marc Jacobs makeup. All the stuff that I have tried from him, everything is great. It's probably one of my favorite high-end makeup brands ever. So highly recommend if you want a really good high-end bronzer. Marc Jacobs knows where it's at. I have a couple mascaras because I'm finally onto new ones and done with my other ones. Younique Moodstruck Epic Mascara, which is what I'm wearing today. And I don't think you guys are going to be able to tell. I know, there's my eyebrows. Ew, look at that. Ooh, hello. Literally, you guys, like, it is so good. I love this mascara, and it literally picks up every single lash and just gets them volumized and lengthened. Holy moly, this was my everyday mascara for work until I quit. Maybelline Snapscara, which everyone has been like crazy about, and this one, you guys, so good. I love the brush on it. I didn't think I would because I usually like more of like comb brushes that just get right in there, but this one really lengthens and volumizes and just gives you like lashes. Like, holy crap, so good. I love this mascara. Highly recommend it to you guys if you have not tried it already, because I feel like the Younique one's a little bit expensive. I'm not sure, but I've seen products from them be kind of pricey. So if you're looking for a cheaper option, the Snapscara is so good. So good. I also apologize if I seem a little weird in this video. I'm kind of sick and also delusional, and I have a headache and I don't know what's going on. Yay. I have been loving my little Real Techniques 306, my Real Techniques powder brush from my TJ Maxx collective haul. Yes, I feel like I hauled this. I don't remember, but my main haul, that's what it was, a main haul. I feel like this really helps to get a lot of product in a short amount of time, which is amazing because I absolutely love this brush. It's very soft, it's easy to work with. I love the handle, surprisingly, because you could easily just get where you need the product and be done with it. And I think it's gonna be really great around Halloween time too, because your girl's doing some Halloween looks this year. Like, I don't give a shit. I gotta start planning that, I know. We're gonna plan that together, so if you guys want me to do any Halloween tutorials, let me know down below what you would like to see. Literally have no idea this year, so, because I didn't get to do any last year. So we're definitely going to dive into that head first, full on. We're getting into it this year. Sprays I wanted to share with you. Finally have dipped into my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Love this stuff. Do I think it's worth $30? No. Oh, Glow Recipe's like stuff is like some of my favorite. Look at that mist though. Like, oh my god, it's so good, so good. I think you can use this to either set your makeup or to put it on before you even start your makeup, which is what I do. I like to spray my face and then prime and then do the whole 9 yards. That's just me. And you do have to shake it though before you use it so it looks like this. Don't just use it when it's like all separated, because I don't think you're gonna get the full effect and benefits, and it might be a little weird. I don't know. I really do want to repurchase this in the future, but I feel like it's kind of pointless because it's so expensive. We'll see. We'll see in the future. I got a lot of stuff to go through first. And then shockingly enough, I've really been loving Kylie setting spray. I took it with me when my mom and I went on vacation, and it smells really good. The mist is actually not bad, like a nice spray. It smells like perfume. Like, it smells really, really good. Like, I don't know that I didn't set my face this morning. Well, we're doing it now. Wow, I just realized I never set my face. It's so bad, and I already went out and everything. Really love this. I think it's a great spray, and it does make my makeup last a pretty decent amount of time. If you are very sensitive to smells and you don't really like your setting spray too, I don't recommend. It's really good. I really like it a lot. If you're new to my channel, I've had a bee problem. My husband and I, they're currently building a nest outside of my sliding door, and I can see the shadow through the blinds of bees flying around, and it's just making me paranoid. And we've had a few of them come in here already, and I'm trying to like get rid of like a lot of sweet smell. Like, all my perfumes are put away now. All that kind of stuff is just really annoying. Yay. Yay me. Yay me. And I hate bees. You guys have probably seen the video already, but these are the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Juicy Glosses in Cherry and Watermelon Pop, which I absolutely love them so much. They're so good. I feel like they both smell the same. Like, they both smell like a lip gloss I had as a kid, like the Watermelon Lip Smackers chapstick, but they make your lips so nice and glossy. They're not obviously going to give you a lot of color to your lips and all that kind of stuff, but if you just want to throw something on and go, like I've been doing a lot like this last couple of weeks that I haven't felt like wearing makeup in this hot, humid weather, it just gets the job done and your lips look nice and plump and juicy. Not only that, they're just so cute, like 90s vibes. Hello 90s, how are you? Like, 90s babies unite, yes. Reminds me of a lip gloss I used to carry, Lip Smackers Strawberry Squeezy Lip Gloss. I used to carry with me in middle school all the time, and I would constantly just put it on and put it on and put it on and put it on. Good times, good times. Okay, and my last favorite of the month is this L'Oreal Glowing Lip Gloss in the color Shall We Dance, which is so pretty. It's like this nude, but it has flecks of gold in there, which is really, really pretty. And it also smells like a gloss I had as a kid. Oh my gosh, it literally smells like, oh my god, do you guys remember like bonbons? Like the bonbons, like nail polishes and lip glosses and nail files, and it was like 2 for like 50 cents or something like that, and I would always get like a bunch of them when I go with my mom. Oh my gosh, it smells like one of them. It literally smells just like one of those lip glosses, but this is what it looks like out of the tube with the doe foot. But oh my gosh, it smells so good. I love it. Also gives me a nice glossy lip. I feel like it's kind of the same formula as the Havana Camilla Cabello lip dew that I really love, that you guys have probably upset because I told you I love it a lot and it's limited edition and you can't find it anymore. But I do feel like this is very similar to, it gives me a nice glow to my lips, nice gloss, and the gold flecks are just an added bonus. Oh, okay, I'm sorry if I seem weird in this video. I feel like I seem really weird. I apologize. That was my favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you in some way. Let me know if there's anything out there that I need to try soon. I'm obviously not planning on shopping and doing the whole 9 yards right now and spending money, which is really sad because fall's coming, and fall's my favorite because I'm a fall baby and you hear my voice. This is what I have to deal with. Ah! Love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notifications so you know when I post a new video, because YouTube does not like to let you know anything anymore. YouTube is terrible. YouTube, get it together. Thank you. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.